welcome to Tomahawk DIY. We're going to take a look at this Maytag Gemini oven. It's a double oven, has the upper and lower, and we've got a problem with the lower element. You can see the upper element heats just fine. The lower element is not working. It's really easy to repair and replace. We'll go ahead and show you how. Alright, so we've slid this around away from the wall. We're going to go ahead and unplug our power. You always want to make sure you're being safe when you're working on things with electricity. The first step to removing this element is simply undoing a couple screws here. Now once you have these unscrewed, you want to be tempted to try to pull this thing out, but the wires are still connected in the back. So we got to go to the back next to disconnect the wires. And then this is where we access that heating element. So got a screw to undo. And right in here, we got some wires. Get that light in there a little better. Okay. So you may need pliers, but you may be able to get enough force just like that to slip these off. So with that, this whole assembly slides right out, really easy. I'll include a link on Amazon where you can pick this up. I'll also show you how you can test for continuity and confirm that it really is your element that's broken and not something else. In this case, you can see we had something happen here with stuff that got on it and apparently caught fire and seems to have heated up and melted off or corroded off some kind of a coating around this element. So we're going to order a new one from Amazon. I'll include an affiliate link and get this thing. It's obviously put it back in the same way you took it out. Alright, so as you put it back together and get your wires reconnected, I want to show you right here there's a little slot that comes in like that, and then you can see this heat stuff. So you want to make sure that's sliding back in, securing properly as you screw everything back in place. Alright, so we've replaced the element, just the exact reverse of how we took the old one out, and you can see it's heating up. One thing that is interesting is this last section here isn't turning bright red, so I'm not sure why that is, but might be something faulty with the element itself. Thanks so much for watching Tomahawk DIY. Have a great day.